Consider this: your sales are increasing, your email open rates are soaring, and your boss is speculating that you've secretly developed some kind of magical marketing abilities. Yes, you are awake. You've just realized how effective AI copy can be in your email marketing campaign. Forget about sending your consumers those dull, generic emails that merely collect digital dust. Today, we'll discuss using AI to create enticing emails that not only get opened but also generate revenue. Personalization is first. No, we're not referring about dear, first name, kind of correspondence. Folks, the game has changed in 2023. The content of your emails may now be customized to each subscriber's interests and needs using AI's analysis of consumer behavior. This is personalization on steroids, not simply personalization. Let's talk about timing next. It's no longer only about sending emails on Tuesdays at 10 a.m. The ideal moment to send an email to each subscriber can be predicted by AI. It's like having your very own Nostradamus foretell the direction that email open rates will take. What about subject lines, then? In less time than it takes you to think of one, AI can produce hundreds of intriguing, unique subject lines. These topic lines differ from the typical buy our stuff ones. They virtually beg to be clicked since they're fascinating, interesting, and captivating. Of course, if your content is subpar, none of this would matter. AI saves the day once more. It can produce convincing, conversion-focused emails that are interesting to read. It's like having a talented copywriter on staff who works non-stop with no coffee breaks. I already hear the doubters objecting, but I don't want to sound like a robot. Be at ease. AI need not imply giving up the distinctive voice of your brand. In fact, it can replicate the tone and style of your brand, maintaining the consistency and authenticity of your communications. There you have it, then. The right moment, enticing topic lines, personalization, and interesting information. All AI boosted and boosted. And keep in mind that while your employer might believe you possess magical abilities, the true magic is in knowing how to make the most of the instruments at your disposal.